Hello everyone. Welcome to Office 24 by 7 tutorials. In this video, I'll show you how to configure a validation rule in the tickets object. We'll create a validation that ensures whenever a ticket is marked as escalated, the user must also provide the escalation level. This simple validation helps support teams capture complete information, understand the severity of issues faster, prioritize tickets more effectively, and improve response times. Let's get started. First, navigate to Validation Rules. Go to Site Setup and click on the Access tab. For this demonstration, I've already created a validation rule called Escalation Validation. Let's open it and understand how it is configured. First, enter an appropriate title for the validation rule. Here, I've named it Escalation Validation. Next, select the object on which the validation should be applied. In this case, we're selecting the Tickets object. Now choose the trigger. I've selected Before Record Edit, which means the validation is checked before the ticket is updated. Next, select the field name that initiates the validation, that is, Escalated Field. Then choose the users or roles for whom this validation should be applicable. I've selected the users, and the users are loaded in the dropdown. Choose the user or role to whom these validation rules should be applied. Here, I have selected Select All to apply these validation rules to all the users. Select the appropriate priority for this validation rule. Now let's configure the conditions. Enable the Use Condition Filter option. We'll create two conditions connected using the AND operator. The first condition checks whether the escalated field is updated to Yes. The second condition checks whether the escalation level field is empty. This means the validation will trigger only when both conditions are true. Next, move to the Action section. Enter a suitable name. I've named it Escalation Rule. Now select the Action scope. Since we want the warning to appear only beside a specific field, we'll choose Field as the scope. Next, select the Escalation Level field. For the action type, choose Show Warning. Finally, enter the warning message. In this example, the message is Escalation Level is mandatory for escalated tickets. Whenever both configured conditions are satisfied, this warning message will appear directly below the Escalation Level field. Once you've completed the configuration, click on Save or Update the configuration. Your validation rule is now ready. Now let's see how it works in real time. Navigate to the Support module and open the Tickets object. Open any existing ticket. Go to the Detail section. Now change the escalated field to Yes. Notice that the escalation level field is still empty. Immediately, a warning message appears below the field saying, Escalation level is mandatory for escalated tickets. This field level warning instantly informs the user that additional information is required before proceeding. By making the escalation level mandatory whenever a ticket is escalated, organizations can maintain accurate ticket information, improve prioritization, and ensure that critical issues receive the attention they require. That's how you can configure a field-level validation rule in Office 24 by 7. In this tutorial, we learned how to create a validation that checks whether a ticket has been marked as escalated and verifies that an escalation level has been provided. If the field is left empty, the system immediately displays a warning message, helping users enter complete and meaningful information while improving ticket management and support efficiency. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Office 24 by 7 YouTube channel for more product tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.